أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And today we are going to begin with our chapter 2 of the Madrasa course, book 4. The chapter 2 has the title Allah has knowledge of all things. Al-Alim. So the meaning of the Allah's name Al-Alim is that Allah has the knowledge of all things. He's the knower of everything. And if you see the picture used, the picture used for chapter 2, it has the sun, it has the planets. Allah is the one who created all these things. So be it the sun, be it the planets, be it the galaxies, be it the whole of the universe, He is the creator, and He is the only one who knows what is happening within those things. He has the knowledge of all of these things. Isn't it amazing to know that? Okay, let's go ahead and see what's there in the chapter. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created the heavens and the earth. He created all things that are in the heavens and the earth. He created the heavens and the earth and also the things inside those heaven and the earth. Allah has knowledge of everything. He gives life and causes death. He has power over all things. So He is the one and only one who has the knowledge of everything. He is the one who gives life and death and has the power over all of us and over all the things that He has created. He is the first and the last. So He is the one who would remain forever. He has been there forever, while any of His creations were not there and will not be there forever. So He is the first and the last. He has knowledge of all things. He knows what goes into the earth and what comes out of it. He knows what comes down from heaven and what goes up into it. He is with us in His knowledge wherever we are. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sees what we do. So there are many things. There are, what do we say, like tangible things and intangible things. We can see and feel few things, like whatever comes down from heavens, it can be the rain, but it can also be the blessings. What goes up into will be the duas. Okay, and He knows what goes into the earth. It can be the seeds, it can be the worms, and what comes out of it, it'll be the plants and trees growing. So all these things and many other things, there can be microbes which we cannot see, there can be neutrons, there can be protons. Allah knows everything about all these things. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows what is good for us and what is bad for us. He wants us to eat and drink things that are best for our health. Allah provides the foods and drinks from heavens and the earth. Foods and drinks are gifts from Allah. So we all know that a few things are bad for our health. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has always been wanting good for us. So He wants the best for us. So it is also in the food and drink that He provides best, and He wants us to have those best things. Most foods and drinks are good for us. Such foods and drinks are permitted, or they can also be called as halal by Allah. So halal food, the meaning of halal is nothing but permitted by Allah, permitted food. We should eat good food provided by Allah and be thankful to Him. Good food, we already know that healthy food keeps us healthy. It doesn't make us obese. It doesn't make us fall sick. It protects us. It makes our body strong. And that is what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants us to do. He wants the best for our health too. And when we are fit and fine, we can do our work, our own work to the best. We can also worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to our best. If we are thankful to Allah, He will increase His blessings for us. This has been a repeated ayah in the Quran where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala repeatedly tells us, be thankful and He will increase His blessings for us. So that's the end of the chapter. It's very small, and let's begin with the question answers. First one, from the lesson, write down at least 5 things that Allah knows. Allah knows everything that we all know. Allah knows what is in the heavens, what is in the earth, what is within the universe, what is within the what goes up into the heavens, what comes down, what goes into the earth, what comes out from the earth. Allah has knowledge of everything. From where does Allah provide food and drink? It is from the heavens. What happens if we are thankful to Allah? So we discussed this as well. When we are thankful to Allah, the blessings increase from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. More? Are there more? No, so it's chapter 3. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.